Some cash advance apps can connect with certain prepaid accounts, but approval depends on whether the app can verify your account activity and meet its eligibility requirements. By the end, you'll know how prepaid accounts work with cash advance apps, what to check before applying, and how to avoid wasting time on apps that cannot support your account type. The first thing to check is account compatibility. Cash advance apps usually need a way to verify your financial activity, which may include connecting a bank account or supported payment account. Before signing up, check whether the app lists your prepaid provider as a supported account. The second thing to check is how the app reviews eligibility. A prepaid account does not automatically mean approval, because many apps look at account history, deposits, and other financial information. Review the requirements before completing an application. The third thing to check is fees and repayment terms. Cash advance apps can have different pricing structures, including optional fees, subscription costs, or faster transfer charges. Read the full cost details before accepting an advance. You should also check how money is delivered. Some apps send funds through bank transfers, while others may use supported payment methods depending on your account setup. Confirm that the delivery method works with your prepaid account before requesting money. Another mistake is applying to multiple apps without checking requirements first. Repeated applications can waste time because each service may have different rules for supported accounts. Compare the eligibility details before choosing an app. Prepaid accounts can work with some cash advance apps, but the key factors are account support, verification, fees, and repayment rules. The best approach is to check your prepaid provider, review the app requirements, and only apply when the service supports your account type. Your next step is to look at the cash advance app supported account list before creating an account or linking your prepaid card. If this guide helped you understand prepaid cash advance options, like the video and subscribe for more practical reviews of finance apps, reward platforms, and money tools.